we are Group J. I'm Mumbere Sinja Joshua, and we are doing. I'm Ariel O'Connor.
I'm very Master Rogers.
I'm Agawa Chisha, Esther.
I'm Namuka Mashta.
Okay. Now you can talk. Seems you love talking.
Yes. So we're doing a feedback system that is going to be carrying out. That is going to help in carrying out a survey that is for the students on the different courses, faculties inside the university. Yes, that is a simple introduction.
Okay.
Yes. So here are the different developments that we had reached on at the moment. This is for, it can show that, okay, there is user authentication there, that is for the students.
Why do you have a separate system?
We haven't integrated it.
No, integrated it. We've been working using it, and everyone has been having specific folders where they are putting content on that exact thing they are working on. So immediately after, we're going to merge all of them, and we come up with a fully functioning system.
Okay.
Yes. So there, that's the
So-
authentication for the student side. Yeah.
It starts from this side.
Yes.
Okay. So who was working on this?
Namuka Martha and Agaba Trisha.
Are you sure, Tricia?
Yes.
What did you do?
We built the login system and authentication. You can see here that when you click login, you start with a home page as a student. Then when you come here, you click login, that's if you have an account. But if you don't, you click an option of creating an account. For instance, if you say Rogers, and then password, for example, when you sign up, yes, so it indicates here that you have created an account and it takes you back to the home page. Then, now that you've created an account, you can get the option of login. And once you log in, it takes you to the forms page. And we also put an option of where you can log in if you've come in as an admin. You can log in, and when you use this option, it should take you to
The admin login
this
page now,
admin login page.
which is this one. Okay. Back here. However, let the forms first, because from there you're going to go to the forms. I'll show you what's in the back.
Yeah, so on the forms page, we already have our question that we're going to ask after logging in. So you can choose which course you do. List our computer science. So let's, for example, let's choose computer science. Then of course, mail. Do I like my course? Yes. And choose which courses you do. Let's say I remove this. Maybe this. So we are still going to add other questions, but you press the submit button to bring you here. So now when we're checking we've now added to our list of forms here. Just submitted. So now you can also see the statistics as well.
Okay.
Yeah, then there's also an option of downloading
Is it possible to put the data labels on that graph?
I'll look into
Should
it.
be.
I'll look into it.
Should be something like this. Is it?
Yeah. Then me and Joshua are working on the dashboard.
On the admin dashboard.
So I had already
You can create your time.
the user. Then ideally it was supposed to, we aren't fetching data from the DB yet, so this is a bit of hard-coded data right now. So these are not the number of forms that are
The
there.
number of forms that will be from here.
Yeah.
That is
So
after
right
now
we
there's
merge
6.
them. Yeah.
will be reflected. So the forms, just like you said, there will be able to be shown in the forms page. Then the students so far, let's just say the students who have been able to sign up here
Yeah.
will be fetched here. So this is just
If they're in the students table.
it's just for each function right now, but it's only fetching one.
At the
So
moment.
the
But
more
we
people
can
that
choose
sign
to
up,
add.
they will be showing
They'll be
up
shown
here.
there.
Then there want to be there was we were still thinking about it whether we should add one
The
for
lecturers
teachers,
or
the lecturers as well. But that will be according to how
I think the feedback is coming from the student, and
The
the,
student.
the lecturer is not
yeah.
Yeah.
So
supposed
that's
to.
why we had not yet actually done any work there. So we're planning maybe we shall just completely discard it. Then this is just to show you the profile, your profile here, Hello Rogers, just like I had signed in. We wanted to leave this as just an icon, just a user icon, because we didn't want to be dealing with images yet, but we shall work on that as well. But then here, the graphs that are showing there were supposed to be merged into this so that they can be shown in a better looking format. So this is just hard-coded data right now. So when we merge all of that,
yeah. We're just going to go and create the different folders inside the whole of the project and go on changing the parts, and then we come up with a fully functioning system.
Okay. Anything that you need from me?
Actually, for me, I wanted to ask a question, and that would be from the functionality of the system. If at all there is a case, there are very many things still that would be there's a lot of information that could also come from lecturers or teaching. Okay, they're called learning assistants. These people who help lecturers. Could the system also be of help to them, or it's strictly feedback, strictly centered to only students? Because we find that some lecturers also need to give some feedback.
I don't think it's necessary according to how I wanted the system to be. Basically, I wanted it to get the feedback about semester from the students. So,
The semester.
Only the semester.
no, the semester, I think
The semester
course units and the teaching.
the teaching and
The only
everything.
thing which you could add on is you should add a structured kind of um, questions, maybe feedback questions that should be in form of quantitative and qualitative. I believe you understand when I say that.
Yes.
Okay? So that should be kind of the forms that we create for collecting feedback from the students so that they could write their own opinion. That is the qualitative. The quantitative, you have kind of maybe a strongly agree basing on the standard that you have set. But try to make sure that the questions that you structure them are well illustrated to what I'm looking into it. And then another thing that you should focus on is when committing your codes to the GitHub, the contribution should be kind of a uniform thing because it's a group work, but at the end of the day, people get different marks. And I think next week it's when I will focus so much on the source code and try to find whether you've been doing the work because I know how I will be asking the question and I know how I will try to get to understand somebody's input. Other than that, I believe, have you submitted the link to the Git repository for the groups?
We're going to first merge all of them so that you can submit a single link. That is
No, it's supposed to be a single link,
Yes.
but the link can come in earlier.
it's fine, it's fine. It's okay, it's okay. We're going to do that. So
But the
that
committing is the one that
yeah,
can come in.
what shows who has been
yeah.
Okay, do that. I believe you have not used a template, right? Because normally people with templates get low marks.
Right.
Okay?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Any question? Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.